Hey there, and welcome back to another video. For this video, I'll be showing you guys how to create an object and have that object follow a curve in the 3D modeling application, Blender. So to make this process work, to make an object follow a curve, it's really quite simple. Simply start up your Blender application, and of course, make sure to have an object on your main editing screen. Then, with the object selected, on the right-hand side menu, we're going to add a modifier. The modifier that we're going to be using is an array. Having an array modifier will let us modify the X, Y, and Z axes for the object and have it extend or retract as much as we wish. This is a great way to edit an object with very precise positioning and details. So go ahead and choose a certain variable for our XY axis. Feel free to adjust the count to whichever fits your needs. Then we're going to add a curve next to this object. The specific curve we're adding is going to be a path. It'll show up as a NURBS path on the upper right corner where you can see all the different elements found on our editing screen. By selecting on the NURBS path, and just make sure it's selected on the upper right corner, we can see that there is a way to rotate its axis in 3 dimensions. By selecting the curve center point, we can extend and create more points from that path. This will allow us to draw a line where we can extend or retract this path. It's really easy to scale this to the length that we need. We can also move this path and position it wherever we wish. By selecting the path, you can also see that there are dots which break up this long line. By selecting one of these points, we can move it by selecting the move option on the left-hand side. And as you can see, there's a black line that's forming a curve. Simply move these points until you're happy with the curve shape that you're looking for. As you can see, it's a little bit finicky, but once you know where to click and position your mouse and cursor, it's really easy and intuitive to have a free-form curve whichever way you wish. Feel free to take your time here, since there's no wrong way to do this anyway. Now that we're happy with the location, orientation, and length of our curve, you simply want to choose location when we apply. Now the next thing we want to do is have the object selected. We're going to add another modifier underneath our array modifier that we made a while ago. So add a curve modifier, and in order to apply the object with the curve, underneath the curve modifier, we're going to select the NURBS path that we've made. Once you selected the NURBS path, as you can see, our object will orient itself and edit itself to the NURBS path that we've initially created. It's a little bit finicky and may take some time getting used to, but this is the best way to attach an object to a curve on Blender. This way, you don't have to take so much time editing your 3D object. Simply edit the path and the object will follow. And that's all the time we have for this video. If you have any other questions or inquiries regarding the steps I've shown you in this video, feel free to leave a comment down below. And if you feel like you learned something new, don't forget to like this video. And as always, subscribe to the channel for more content and videos just like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.